राम सर को बोलूंगी तो वो वॉच करेंगे. बायोलॉजिकल मैग्निफिकेशन ना, फ्रॉम बायोलॉजिकल मैग्निफिकेशन. Yes, Nikhil. Biological magnification.
Yes, ma'am.
Accumulation of toxic substance on different trophic level called the biological magnifications. We can also say increase in concentration of toxic at successive trophic level called the biological magnification. Listen, toxic substance cannot metabolize, cannot excrete and transfer into the higher trophic level. What are the drawback of the toxic substance? Toxic substance cannot metabolize these breakdown. We cannot break down these toxic substance, and these toxic substance cannot excrete from the body. And what is the main drawback? Transfer into the higher trophic level as it is. I'm taking example here, DDT. You know, DDT released from the industries come in the water. When in water more DDT is present, water plant absorb the DDT, and what happen? Fish depend on the plant. That DDT shifted into the fish body, small fish body. Up, small fish eaten by the birds. DDT transfer as it is inside the bird's body. What happened? In bird's body, continuously DDT collected. And what happened? That DDT disturb calcium metabolism of birds. What disturb? Calcium metabolism of birds. So what happened? When calcium metabolism is disturbed, egg shell thin. Outer wall, egg shell is thin. So egg easily break. So the number of birds continuously decrease. Another example I am taking. Japan, Minamata. That is a coastal area, Minamata. In Minamata, the mercury discharged into the water. So what happened? In water, mercury is more. So what happened? The plant absorb mercury. Mercury accumulated in plant body. A small fish depend on the plant. Come in small fish say big fish. And the coastal area. Yes, Nikhil, are you here? Yes, in coastal area, number of person generally depend on the coastal area people depend on fish. So what happened? That mercury shifted in the human being body, that person body. Continuously accumulation of DDT cause the different types of cancer. What is that? Accumulation of mercury in the body cause different types of cancer. That is the main drawback of it.
मैं म्यूट हो गया.
Yes. From where I mute? Neena Mata, explain. हाँ, yes. Yes, Rupal. हाँ, Japan, Neena Mata. That is a coastal area in which the mercury discharge in water. So in water, more amount of mercury is present. When more amount of mercury absorbed by the water plant, small fish depend on the algae. So come in the algae body, come in the fish body say big fish, and the people living in that area also depend on the fish. So continuously that mercury accumulated in human being body and cause the different types of the cancer. Okay. Yes, any doubt? Yes, any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now I'm going to show how the DDT accumulate. I'm going to show you with the help of diagram. Look here. Yes. I think full diagram is visible.
वीडियो नहीं आ रहा आपका. मैम वीडियो नहीं आ रहा.
एक मिनट. क्यों नहीं आ रहा है बेटा? दिख तो रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
Camera
Are.
भी. This is
Ma'am,
visible ना? Listen me. Listen
बिग
me.
ब्लू आ रहा है.
First of all, I am taking. Pardon?
मैम ब्लर है बहुत.
Now,
Yes, ma'am. आ रहा है.
listen me. First of all, I am taking in water. DDT amount is present 0.003 ppm from the industries that accumulated. 0.003 ppm. Clear? Yes. Up zooplankton. You know about the zooplankton.